Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Justine. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I am doing my Birchbox unboxing for the month of June, and I did already open it up just to show you guys the outside package. And today's theme, or this month's theme, it looks like it's a beach themed, so it's really cute. It has a bunch of little cartoons here on the beach, so that's exciting. And I'm going to go ahead and hop right into it and see what products are in this month's box. And it does, of course, always give you a little pamphlet on all of the products if you're not familiar with Birchbox. So I did take a peek already just so I could see what I could use on my face today. I'm going to start with the On-the-Go Mattifying Primer. This is SPF 50 and it is in beige. So I did put this on before I put on my foundation today. I did want to swatch it for you. It comes out very mousse-like, so it has a moussey texture, and when it blends out, it's very, very velvety. So it does kind of feel like a silicone-based primer. It says it's mattifying. I'm not sure if that means it's going to control oil, but I did try it out on my face, so we will see at the end of this day if my face changed in any way other than my normal routine. So I can go ahead and hop on later on and tell you guys what I think of this. But I think this would be a really, really good product if you're going to be outside for several hours, you just want to put something on and you don't really want that much coverage. I think this would be good. It says Makeup on the Go Mattifying Primer, but I don't feel like this has any coverage at all, like absolutely no tint to it from what I can see. So this probably wouldn't have enough coverage for me. And next is the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. Now I've tried this already. I've already received several different samples in Ipsy, in Sephora Play. I really do like this moisturizer. So it's an ultralight moisturizer with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils. You can use it in the morning and evening. So I think this is really good for about maybe normal to oily skin. I don't know about dry skin. I don't think it would be hydrating enough. But it does have the signature packaging from Purity. I really love Purity's facial cleanser, the one in the yellow. I think it's Purity Made Simple. It's a wonderful cleanser. I use it with my Clarisonic Mia, and that cleanser is a wonderful cleanser. So that they pretty much put it in a moisturizer, the scent, and some of the ingredients. So if you're a fan of the cleanser, I'm really sure you'll like this. So I'm glad to have this in the box. Next is a highlighter, and this one is from Botanic Beauty Glow Serum. Highlight your favorite features with this pearly pink hydrating cream infused with nourishing apricot fruit extract, or apricot, and you're supposed to put it on the high points of your face. So this is a cream highlighter. So I'm not a particularly big fan of cream highlighters. I like powder highlighters, powder contour, just because I'm of an oily complexion. It's not really something I reach for, so I'm actually going to keep the seal on this, and I'm going to re-gift this to someone who has a different complexion than me. So I'm not going to be able to test that out today. Moving on, we have the Oribe, O-R-I-B-E. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It's their Wave and Shine Spray. It says shake, spray on wet or dry hair and tousle, and let dry in the St. Tropez air. Get effortless beachy waves with this 2-in-1 spray. The innovative formula amps up texture and shine while also hydrating dry hair. So I think this could be good as an alternative to the sea salt sprays. Like I said in my previous video, they're coming out a lot more with sugar sprays instead of sea salt sprays, just for more hydration. So that's probably what this is trying to do. Let's see how it smells. I couldn't pick up a scent on it. Probably once I put it in my hair, I'll be able to smell it, so I'll update you guys on this since I already did my hair today, so I won't be using this right now. But I did want to test out one product from the box. It is the Marcel Curling and Lengthening Mascara. This says that it is an extension plus curl mascara. Build length with this mascara's curved wand that catches each lash and coats them in the silky clump-free formula. Wiggle brush from side to side as you move from roots to tips. So that's how I like to apply mascara, so I'm glad that they're instructing me to do so. Let's see the wand on this. I haven't opened this one. This one is interesting. Looks promising. Zoom you guys in and let's try this out. I'm gonna do my bottom first. What do you guys think? This eye has it, this one doesn't. I think it did pretty good for lengthening. I don't know about volumizing. I like volumizing more than length. Let's see the other eye. It definitely lengthened my lashes. It doesn't clump. The brush does make it easy to just wiggle it on. It's really easy to apply. It's in the middle. It's not too wet and it's not too thick or dry. So it's a pretty decent mascara, I would say. I can check in at the end of the day, let you guys know how it wore, along with the primer in this box. Right now, it's not something that is wowing me. It's just kind of like middle of the road. Since I've tried a ton of mascaras, it's really hard to impress me when it comes to mascara sometimes. I will say it's not really volumizing, like I said earlier. So that's everything in this month's Birchbox. Let me know what you guys thought of all of these products. I kind of don't think I'll be using most of these, or I've already used some of them as well. So I will check back with you guys at the end of this day and show you guys how these products wore on my face, and I will give you my final thoughts, so stay tuned for that. Hey guys, it's the end of the night and I wanted to get on and tell you or show you how the mascara and the primer was doing today. So I haven't really looked at it at all today, so this will be the first time. And the mascara actually held up pretty well, so there isn't anything underneath my eyes. It wasn't irritating today. It is lightweight and it's not crispy. It does feel nice on the lashes. So if you're looking for lengthening, I think this mascara is good. The Marcel Curling and Lengthening Mascara. Probably will use this up, but it's not something I would repurchase. And the primer though, I kind of felt today that my face felt like slightly a little bit more oily than normal. And usually this foundation holds up pretty well. So this is the Revlon Color Stay, and regardless of the primer previously, it usually stays pretty well. And where I put the primer, which was primarily right here and like right here, does kind of feel a little bit more silicone-y or a little bit more oily in my opinion. I probably would have to use it with different things and in different ways to really get a true sense of what it's able to accomplish. It doesn't really have a tint to it. It's not really heavy coverage. It does feel like silicone a little bit. It's very moussey and velvet in texture, which is nice. Oh, there's a bug in here, which is nice. But it isn't something that I look for in a primer, even though it says mattifying. I feel like it kind of does the opposite. So We will see. Only time will tell with those products. So thank you guys so much for watching my Birchbox unboxing today for June, and we will see you in my next video.